I'd hold you up and tell your mother, this kid is going to be the best kid in the world. This kid is going to be better than anyone I ever knew. You grew up good and wonderful. It's great just watching. Every day was like a privilege. When the time came for you to be your own man and take on the world, and you did. But somewhere along the line you changed. You stopped being you. You let somebody stick a finger in your face and tell you you're no good. And when things got rough, you started looking for something to blame, like a big shadow. Let me tell you something you already know, okay? The world ain't all rainbows and sunshines. It's a very mean and nasty place. And I don't care how tough you are. It will beat you to your knees and keep you there permanently. You, me, no one's going to hit you as hard as life. It's not about how hard you hit. No, it's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving. How much you can take and keep moving forward. That's how winning is done. Because you're willing to go through all the battles it takes to get to where you want to be. It's got the right to stop you.